How to use filters on YouTube Shorts. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use all the filters that there is in your YouTube Shorts. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, launch your YouTube application. Get logged into your specific YouTube account, then tap on the plus icon on your bottom page. Here you can either record a video right away or just add an existing one. Now wait for this to load. Once the processing is completed, you will see a page like this. Here, if you tap on this expand icon, you will see various filters. Let's go ahead and tap on effects. From here, you can either choose appearances, lenses, or backgrounds. Likewise, you can also retouch your video and explore other options like lightning and flash. Once you're satisfied, tap on this check icon and you can get started by uploading your YouTube Shorts. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.